Yo, hello, dear crypto people. First of all, thank you so much for the 5,000 subscribers. I can't believe that we have passed 5k subscribers. So a big thank you to you guys, okay? So, as I said, I will make a giveaway for 200 TRX. I still don't know if I will send it to just one person or maybe to 10 people or to 20 people. We will see how much people will participate in the giveaway, okay? So guys, the steps are very easy. First of all, you have to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Second, you need to follow my X account, okay? So I have also made a giveaway tweet on my X account. So you need to like this post and retweet it, okay? So yeah guys, I'm doing this to get some real followers on my Twitter account so I can join some giveaways, so I can tag some real people instead of bots, you know? So yeah guys, make sure to follow me on Twitter, okay? Next thing that you need to do is join my Discord server, okay? So I will leave a link for that in the description below. So I have also made a Discord server. It's basically empty now, but I want to get it started to like have some kind of a crypto community or anything, you know. So yeah guys, you can join this Discord server, and here I have made the giveaway post, so it's basically the same thing, okay? So you can write your TRX address either on my Discord server or on my Twitter, okay? I would prefer it on Discord. I would prefer it that you join my Discord, okay? So also one more last thing, I will leave a link for Pawns app. It's such an amazing app. It has made lots of new improvements in the last time. You can install it on your mobile phone. You can earn money by playing games or by doing surveys and by sharing your internet. So definitely guys, if you don't have Pawns app installed, I would recommend you to join that. If you install it through my link, you will also get a bonus, a few dollars or something. So yeah, that's it, but that's optional, okay? So you don't have to worry about this last part. But that's basically it guys, a simple giveaway. Please do these steps, and then after 1 week or something like that, I will make a video. I don't know if I will live stream or just make a video, so I will pick the winners and so on. So yeah, that would be about it. Thanks a lot once more everybody for the support. Good luck with the giveaway and have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.